Welcome to a very special video announcement for a new product at Sphero. We've been working on something in top secret for 547 days, 6 hours, 5 minutes, and 6 seconds. This is Sphero BOLT. Ta-da! BOLT is our most advanced Sphero we've ever built and probably the most sophisticated ball in the world. Taking a quick look at Sphero BOLT, you'll notice it's the same size, durability, and charging mechanism as our existing Spark Plus model in market. But we all know it's what's on the inside that counts. And Sphero BOLT packs a punch with 5 incredible new features. BOLT is also backwards compatible with all programs and activities in the Sphero EDU app built for Spark Plus and previous Sphero models. Yes! BOLT has a huge battery, big enough for even your biggest projects. It also has 3 new sensors: a compass, a light sensor, and infrared sensing. And the last feature is my favorite, of course, the matrix. It's an 8x8 LED grid that's individually addressable and programmable from the Sphero EDU app. You can build animations, have scrolling text, and even display real-time data. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Here's a cool demo that combines 2 of the new features on BOLT. When I start the program, you'll hear a snoring animation. That's like your dad sleeping on the couch. And it's a little starry night animated on the matrix. And as soon as I turn the lights on, as in I shine my light at the light sensor, it'll wake him up. And of course, we get the rooster sound from the Sphero EDU app and a really cool sunrise on the matrix. You can even program your own games on the matrix, like tic-tac-toe or snake. Next is the compass sensor, which works just like a traditional compass that can find magnetic north on Earth. With the compass, we have a new feature called auto-aiming. If you go to the drive screen on the Sphero EDU app, there's a new compass-looking button, and you'll notice that if you tap it, Sphero BOLT will spin around and then automatically sync to the same offset from north that your device is pointed. Therefore, you don't have to manually aim anymore. How cool! And that's just a fraction of the cool things you can do with the new Sphero BOLT. We'll be releasing all kinds of new programs and activities in the Sphero EDU app to bring BOLT to life, both at home and in school. BOLT is also compatible with the Sphero Play app for really fun drive modes and games with your robot. And lastly, Sphero BOLT works with Swift Playgrounds, Apple's Learn to Code app on iOS. We know you're gonna love all the new features in Sphero BOLT. You can just do so much more with it. And remember, we're just getting started. There's so much cool stuff to come. There's just so much we can do. I gotta go work on this stuff.